Hi, my name is Sheree Williams, and I'm a family therapist here at Better Days. Um, I've been a therapist here for 10 years. And first, let me say how brave you all are for coming today. It's never easy opening up to a complete stranger. First of all, just let me commend you all for that. Please get comfortable, have a seat. Um, and let's get started. Okay, well, I just want you to know that this is a safe space, and anything we talk about will remain here in this room, and that I try to make it a point to stress to all of my clients how important it is to respect each other's space and um, respect each other just in general. Remember that you are family, and just recognize the boundaries and show respect for each other. That's all I definitely ask. And because I just want everyone to feel comfortable with sharing their thoughts and feelings, okay? And I have a small little slogan that I usually share before I start with my clients, and it's called Before You Speak, Think. T for is it true? H for is it helpful? I for is it inspiring? N for is it necessary? And K for is it kind? So I try to, keep that little slogan. I have it up on my wall right there if you need a little reminder. Um, Once again, thank you for all coming, and just know that you are in a safe space. And I am merely a visitor in your family, and I'm here to definitely help and try to find that good communication that I know we all have, and to, just resolve some conflicts. All right. Let's start with getting to know each other. Could you tell me a little bit about yourselves? Let's start with your names and your ages, and we'll go from there. All right, everyone. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. I know I got a little heated there, but let me just say this: pointing the finger, okay, doesn't solve anything. All right. So we are here to get to a common place where we can understand each other and we can discuss how we're feeling and be heard. Okay. So listen, if we're all going to yell and we're going to fuss at each other, nothing gets resolved. Okay. We can all sing together, but we can't speak all at once. Okay. So let's just calm down and let's bring it back down to a calm place. And there's plenty of space in here to be heard. And we also have time to be heard and express ourselves. Let's respect each other's feelings and opinions because this is a space where we are safe and we should feel comfortable expressing ourselves, okay? So we're not going to point fingers. We are going to get to the bottom of to the bottom of these issues, okay? And we're going to do it collectively as a family, right? Okay? So let's calm down and let's gather ourselves and let's bring it back to where we were, shall we? Thank you. Okay, everyone, listen, that session was wonderful. I feel like everyone expressed themselves. We had a moment where things got a little rocky. However, we were able to bring it back down and calmly express how we're feeling and respect each other's space and boundaries. All right. Again, thank you for coming. It is never easy sharing family issues with a complete stranger. However, I thank you for coming, and I want to give everybody a little bit of homework to do until our next session next week. I would like for everyone to write down 5 things about everybody in the family that they love about them, and I want you to also write 5 positive things that you can do that would improve your communication style with each other. Things you can do different when speaking to each other, when addressing each other, when being around each other, or just even simply greeting each other. What you can do different, but it all has to be positive. All right. Again, thank you. It was a really, really productive session. And again, I appreciate all of you respecting each other and being open and honest. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week.